Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a numbered list or a bulleted list to your messages and emails you send via Yahoo Mail. It is very simple guys, and I'm going to guide you through this so that you don't have to use, for example, software like, I don't know, Google Docs or Word for that, but can do it directly here in your emails on Yahoo Mail. So what you want to do guys is head over to your inbox on Yahoo Mail, log into your account and start a new conversation by clicking on this compose button in the top left. Here in the new text message window, enter the given recipient's email address, the subject and the text below. Let me just switch from a centered alignment to a left alignment really quickly. So guys, it is actually very simple. Simply type in your text just like that. Let me skip to the next line. And to add a numbered list guys, simply click into these three dots here at the bottom and select numbered list from that menu here, just like that, and it's going to convert your first deadline here into your first bullet point or a numbered point. And if you skip to the next line, it will automatically switch to the second, fill it with text, skip to the next one by pressing enter, and so on and so forth. You may do the same guys with bulleted lists. So click into these three dots here again, select bulleted list, and that is going to start a bulleted list. Press enter to skip to the next line, or press tab to make a sub bullet point, or another one, and so on and so forth guys. So that's how you add bulleted lists and numbered lists to your emails and messages on Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.